my channel, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we're doing something with my hair. I went on Instagram and asked about a Bleach London product, and it was a Violet Skies one because I kind of wanted violet hair, and I had quite a lot of people say do it. I was like, yeah, but then I also had lots of people say don't do it, and one of my friends who is a very good trained hairdresser messaged me and said, if you put that on your hair you will never see your blonde again without having to re-bleach it. So she was like, if you want some colour, go for pink, because pink fades really nicely to blonde. So we are here. This is the Bleach London Rose, and it is a semi-permanent hair colour cream, fades out in 2 to 10 washes. So it says on here. However, on the back it does say, right, maybe this one, another one I looked at, it said it was between 2 and 30 washes. Maybe it was a different colour, but yeah, 2 and 10 washes. You can get rose shampoo as well, so I think how it comes out will depend if I then go and get the rose shampoo as well. This was £6 from Boots. The rose shampoo and the rose conditioner were also £6 or £6.50 each, so I didn't want to get them in case like I did it and I was like, I like it but I'm not 100% on it. So I thought I will see how it is and then I will do it. It is a very pale pastel pink. It's really pretty. I have watched about 14 million YouTube videos on this today, and the colour looks gorgeous. Really excited to try it, because mine at the minute is quite yellowy, so you do have to wash your hair first. So I'm going to wash my hair with a purple shampoo to try and get rid of some of the yellow, and then we're going to put this on. But I thought I would just come and do the intro now without having to try and hide my hair and do an intro afterwards, because I like it when, I don't like it when you see like a makeup look before the actual tutorial, if that makes sense. Like I like to see the before as the before and not like a before but as an after. I'm just chatting rubbish. Anyway, if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel so we can be friends. There's going to be lots of fun stuff to come, including, I hate the fact that I'm saying this, on the 30th of October there's going to be Vlogmas. That's like in 31 days. 31 days! What? 31 days Vlogmas is starting. I need to prep. Okay, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to go and wash my hair, and then I'll come back and I'll put this on down here. But I might be doing it when the kids are in bed, and their bedroom, one of the bedrooms is directly above me. So it might just be silent with me doing a voiceover at a later date, or I might just whisper, because someone told me that they like it when I whisper, which was nice. It was Claire, Diary of a 40 something. She just said that I'm loud and she enjoyed my quiet voice. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my hair, because it says wash your hair and on towel dry hair, massage in, leave for 30 minutes. Boom, we're doing it. Okay, I have just washed my hair with purple shampoo and left it on for like 7 minutes. This is what happens to curly hair when you don't condition it. I'm gonna have to do this and come back, because this is gonna take ages. Okay, it is brushed. I don't really know when it says towel dried. I don't really know. I dried it with a towel, but it is still pretty wet. But I don't know. It just says apply generously to shampoo towel dried hair. What is towel dried? Like, I don't even know. I'm so bad with hair. Dried with a towel. We're just going to do it. Now, someone I watched earlier on put it on with her hands without gloves on, and her hands were like proper stained. So I've got some creepy gloves. Oh, I like that. Anyway, let's just stop being creepy. My nose is ringing. We're going to do it. It smells really good, and everyone I've watched do it just does it with their hands, so I might just section it a bit, pretend I'm professional, just like do it in 2, do you reckon? Like 1, doing 4, doing 4, I'll do it in 4. So let's just, ooh, it's proper gloopy. It looks really pale. It's a really pretty pink colour. So let's get it on. I'm so pink because my shower was boiling. My hand is all slimy. I don't know where that's gone now. I've lost a clip. It's not looking pink. Well, I'm gonna go and watch Bake Off because it's the final tonight. How long have I got to leave this on for? Develop for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna leave this on for half an hour and then we'll come back and have a look and I'll wash it off. Yeah. It looks quite pink. I'm gonna go and wash it off and then I'll dry it so you can see it. This is it washed. It doesn't look very pink. I'm gonna dry it. I'm gonna have to do it tomorrow because it's too late to use a hairdryer, so we will come back tomorrow and leave it. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I've just dried and straightened my hair. And you can see it's a really nice pastel pink. I absolutely love it. Do you like Mummy's hair?
Yeah.
What colour is it?
Pink.
It's pink. Do you want pink hair?
No.
No. What day is it today?
Halloween.
So yeah, I really like it. I will take a couple of pictures and insert them as well. But I think it's a really nice pastel pink. I don't know how long it's going to last. I will update you in the comments. I'll pin a comment or in the description box as to how long it lasts. I do generally only wash my hair like once or twice a week.
Help Mummy.
Okay, I'll come help you in a second, Bubba. You're so cute. But yeah, I really, really like it. I think it has worked nicely. My hair feels really nice and yeah. I definitely recommend the rose one. There was another colour that I nearly got which was called Odd Fuchsia. Which I might do if I feel like I need more pink. I might do that one, or maybe I might mix them. And I did use about 2/3 of the bottle in the end. I probably could have got away with using less, but
on my top is a unicorn.
You have got a unicorn. I wanted to make sure it was completely covered, and I've got very fine hair, but there is an absolute crap ton of it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and do a school run with my pink hair, and I'm going to put some black lipstick on because it's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye guys.